A stray dog came towards me. Oh my God, it is very thin. It is very fitful. I decided to take it away. Take it to the hospital. Give it a thorough checkup. Give it an injection. It recovered and returned home. All its fur has grown up. After playing hard, I give it a bath and I get home first. It goes steady, it's hungry. It's time for dinner. It is sleeping peacefully.